Hello! In this video, we will look at 7 basic rules for buying and selling cryptocurrency. Rule number 1. Reliability of cryptocurrency storage. Always use only trusted exchanges and crypto wallets. I won't be advertising, this video is purely informational. You can easily make a corresponding request in a search engine and get lists of the most reliable crypto exchanges and wallets. If you do not adhere to this rule, then not only will you not be able to withdraw your profits, but you may even lose all your cryptocurrency. Rule number 2. Crypto wallet security. The password and secret phrase must be stored only on paper. In no case should you make any screenshots of the secret phrase and store them on your device, and especially in cloud storage. Write down your password and secret phrase on paper in several copies and store them in different and very secure places. Rule number 3. Cryptocurrency buying limit. Determine for yourself what percentage of your financial condition you can risk. This is a simple risk management strategy that will help you limit your losses if you make an unsuccessful buying. For example, you can set a limit for yourself of 1% of your financial capabilities. Don't forget that the most important thing in life is you and your loved ones. Don't risk more than you can afford. Be responsible. Rule number 4. Portfolio diversification. Don't put everything into one cryptocurrency. By purchasing several types of cryptocurrency, you will spread the risk between them, which will make your portfolio more stable. Rule number 5. Maximum and minimum price. Never buy when the price has reached its maximum, and never sell when the price has reached its minimum. Cryptocurrency prices are very volatile. You always have to wait for a better price to make a deal. After a sharp increase in price, there is always a decrease. And conversely, after a sharp decrease in price, there is almost always an increase in price. Rule number 6. Self-control. Never make trades in a state of emotion or depression. When making a trade, you should always be calm and aware of what you are doing. Mental health is very important. Don't forget about it. Buying and selling crypto assets is somewhat similar to betting in a casino, so always control your excitement. Rule number 7. Earn, take and go away. You have to be realistic. Set goals that you plan to achieve and quit when you have achieved them. You don't have to wait until your portfolio grows 1,000 times. A very rapid increase in price often leads to a rapid fall in price. Therefore, we follow the rule: earn, take and go away. Here are the 7 main rules for buying and selling cryptocurrency that I wanted to talk about in this video. Following these rules doesn't guarantee you profitable deals in the crypto industry, but it will protect you from big losses. In any case, be careful. Good luck to all.